Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the video. So for this video, welcome to Flewdew tips and tricks. This is where you'll find OBS, YouTube and Twitch tricks. So if you're lost with any of them, comment them below and I'll be here to help you. Every time another comment pops up on this video and videos future, I shall try and make a video on that topic. So if you don't comment down below, you may not get the help that you're looking for, and if you're not looking for help, then just subscribe, because it'll be tips and tricks. I'll help you make these better, like transitions, just all cool stuff that'll just make your stream or even YouTube videos look even better than they do now. So if you want any tips like that and you want to work harder on your creations, then do subscribe. As always, videos coming soon. Goodbye.